Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. Now, I have to admit, the market for me anyway has been very, very choppy today. If you just take a look at the SPY right there, there's the SPY right there. So I had a nice little pop in the pre-market and the market opens, moved down, up, down, up, down. So there were a lot of choppy things that I saw, and Redbox is one of them, okay, RDBX. However, if you're in the room last week, Redbox has just had a huge run. Let's take a look at it on the daily chart. Okay, get the daily chart up. And, look at this run it's had. Actually, I guess the major run was on Friday, but it actually started right back here. It's a few days ago, maybe a couple of weeks ago. This was a $2 stock. And then it chopped around a little bit for a while, and then Friday it just absolutely exploded. And look at this. You would have thought maybe that would be the giant green candle, but so far this is even bigger. And where it goes from here, it's hard to know. But what made the trade great, of course, is that the fact that there was just so much enthusiasm, and I couldn't really find any specific reason. This is, if you know what Redbox is all about, all you have to do is look. I don't know if all they do is still have those little red boxes around where you can rent DVDs and Blu-rays. I'm not sure if that's their only business, but nonetheless, this has just been such a wild mover. And the interesting thing is that, let me just see one thing here. Yeah, so what makes it great, if you're looking for volatility, of course, is the fact that it only has 8.8 million in the float. So that's what you're going to see. Now on Friday, it traded 100 million shares. And today, it's already traded 93, meaning today, this is noon Eastern. Still 4 hours left in this market. And so it's going to break right through that 100 million share mark. And if you look left, let me see if I can bring it in here. Look left on this, say the monthly chart. The next high is 1140. What did it get up to today? It got up to 10. And then after that, we're talking 1920. Again, I'm not saying it's going to get here, but that's all traders are looking at. They're just keep looking left to see, okay, keeps making a new high every single day. Where could it keep going to? So, coupled with the low float, the fact that for whatever reason, traders are super interested in this, and they have been for a few days. And then we had the pre-market pop, the pullback, and then the explosion. I have an alert set up here, over $9, around $9.50. I'm waiting to see if this takes this out later on in the day, and who knows, we may have an explosion through 10. Again, this is not financial advice, of course, but those are the levels I'm looking at to see if they happen later on in the day. So I want to get back into the room, and let's see, the test drive is still, you can still sign up for the test drive, of course. It starts on May the 16th. So it's less than 2 weeks from, actually 2 weeks from today is when you start getting live data. So it starts on the 16th, and you'll see the link in the email that you're getting. So have a great evening, everybody, and I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 in the morning. So hope to see you there. Bye-bye.